This is the Aprilia Tuono V4 Factory 2025. The ultimate street monster born from the world of racing. Aprilia strikes again in the world of sport motorcycles with the all-new Tuono V4 Factory, a high-performance naked bike with aggressive design, cutting-edge tech, and a beastly V4 engine. Under the hood, it packs a 1,077 cubic centimeters V4 engine that pumps out 175 horsepower. Insane torque and a raw, emotional sound that makes every twist of throttle feel like you're on a MotoGP circuit. And the tech? It's race bred. The Tuono comes equipped with the Aprilia Performance Ride Control, traction control, wheelie control, engine brake management, and launch control. You also get cornering ABS and a bidirectional Quickshifter for clutchless gear changes up or down. With Öhlins semi-active suspension, the bike automatically adapts to aggressive riding or cruising. And the design isn't just sharp, it's functional too, with integrated winglets for added stability at high speeds. In the world of premium naked bikes, the Tuono V4 Factory is ready to take on giants, from Ducati Streetfighter V4, KTM Super Duke R, to BMW's S1000R. It's a king of the streets, with the perfect blend of performance, comfort, and cutting-edge features. Quick specs. Engine, 1,077 cubic centimeters V4. Power, 175 horsepower. Suspension, Öhlins semi-active. Features, APRC, Quickshifter, cornering ABS. Estimated price, starting around $45,000 US. The Tuono V4 Factory isn't just a motorcycle, it's a street weapon, a proof that racing technology can exist in a naked bike you can still ride on long trips. If you're all about speed, adrenaline, and stunning design, this is the bike for you. Like what you see, smash that like button, drop your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more insane motorcycle content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next ride. Full throttle.